Hello friends! Today we're going to create this cool micro interaction or animation right inside the Figma. So let's get into it. Alright, I have just a new file without anything. To get started, just press on F and click here. We have a frame 100 by 100. Rename it to the first item that we want to create. So press T on your keyboard and want to start typing at 2. So that's it. The font is IBM Plex Mono, so you can use it for free. It's available on Google Fonts. Alright, duplicate this text. Want to rename it to library. Alright, make sure they are in the center and have a same space, so it's gonna be 8 from the top and bottom. Okay, cool. So let's create a plus section. I'll do it with rectangle because we want to now make a rectangle bigger and create that cool interaction. So let's have a 50 pixel by 1 rectangle. Command C, Command V to have a copy of it. Rotate it 90 degree and make sure they are all in center. So just you can make sure by using this. Cool, pretty cool. So we created it. Select both of them. Just select bluish dark, very dark color. So it looks very cool. Great. So we're done with the first one. Let's create another one. And what we should do, these guys go out of the frame. Let's do it. Okay. And this one go to the top. So it's gonna be 100 from here. Make sure in center. And this one is gonna be 1 pixel. So if you have a 1 pixel width and should be center. Okay. Right, you have it here. So now just move it over this line or this rectangle, and let's have this frame as the middle one. So we call it the middle frame in order to have that animation. And from here we want to have the height of 100. Here we have this rectangle fill up the whole frame. So that's it. Let's create a text here. We're gonna done. So this one should be here, and we want to animate it. If you want to animate something, we told you in the previous videos, you should have it in the previous frame. So as you can see here, we have it right here, and we're going to move it a little bit down and just pass through, have the opacity of 0. We can't see it on this frame, but just animate it. It goes from the bottom to top and we can see it gradually. That's it. So we created this. Let's go to the prototype. Select the first frame, connect this one to this. It should be smart animate, and for just it's enough. You can play around with the time, but it's enough for now. And after, so we don't want to click here. We just want to automatically go to the next frame. So we want to, after a delay, this delay is okay for me for right now. And after, so it's going to be the last frame. After 2 seconds, we want to, after a delay again of 2 seconds, we're going to go back to the first frame. Cool. Yeah. Let's see it. All right, we can see it, and press Z on your keyboard double time, or you can go here from options at the top here and select fill, scale down or up to fill. So it's a little bit easier to see it, what's happening, what's going on here. So yeah, when I click it on this, you can see it animation happen. And after 2 seconds, we're gonna go back to the first frame. Again, very cool. Well done. So always you can come back here and play around with this stuff here and just work with it. So maybe you wonder you can use so vector or line. So try to play around with these things and try to come up with creative and cool stuff like this, or maybe even more advanced. But for getting you inspired and how you can make stuff with Figma is enough for today. Thank you very much for just watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel and let us know what you want to learn today, and we'll make a tutorial for you guys. Happy designing, stay cool and full of energy, and until the next video, goodbye.